So the biggest developments in AI video is Luma Dream Machine and Kling, which was just released yesterday at the time of this recording. Now, the biggest things about using this is what are the use cases of AI video? Now, is AI video even possible to be used in certain situations? In this video, I'm going to show you how I used these platforms, and we're going to compare the two. I'm going to show a couple examples of me put into certain situations and then being animated. So that's essentially using a photo to build on top of. And I've really fine-tuned my process using Midjourney, which I have lots of videos. I'll link them below. And from Midjourney, I build these images, animate them. And then the other examples we're going to look at is a free-for-all, kind of just prompt it out, let these platforms do their thing. And then finally, I'm going to place in a meme, and I'll show you how the meme works pretty well, because from what I've been seeing from these platforms, memes have been blowing up because they work really well, they look really good, and people like watching them. All right, let's begin. Okay, so this is the first one that I use, and it is the Luma Dream Machine of me. What started off with me walking down the stairs with a tiger. And as you notice here, there's the thing that's missing is that the face of the original character gets replaced. So this didn't turn out so well, but actually if you look at the other one, which is Kling's, the first one was significantly better because Kling's completely removed the face. Now the tiger looks good, I gotta admit, but even though the tiger looks good, I still think the first original LumaLabs one looks better, just because it kept the details the whole way through, and it kind of gave movement as the camera panned. Now, these are both using the same prompts, and it's just depending on the platform and how it interprets your prompt to do what it does. Now, the next one I'll show you is me on a building. Now, again, we'll start off with the LumaLabs one, and the LumaLabs one is good because it keeps the face. So it keeps the face, it makes everything uniform, and then it shows the pan of the camera, which is a beautiful scene. And because of that, I like it, and I think it's possible to be used. Like if I had a title pop above the head or something, that's usable. Now, going on to the Kling one, again, it removes the face, it changes this person into something else, and the camera, while the motion is good, it kind of gets distorted, and from there, I lose the ability to use this clip. But I'm sure with developments coming soon, these will both be all fixed out and it'll be usable. Like we saw last year and how fast Midjourney moved, it'll be crazy. I'm sure 6 months from now, this will be completely different. Now, the next one is this meme of a bear. Now, I'm gonna start off with the LumaLabs one, and it's super cute. I see this meme everywhere, and it really shows the movement of this bear looking pretty good. Now, if you notice, the feet kind of looks like he's wearing shoes, which makes it a bit fictional, but it's okay because the joke, essentially a anthropomorphic bear holding a pizza, walking somewhere, that joke is still there, and the video aspect brings life to it. Now, also with Kling's video looks pretty good too. It's in slow motion. I don't remember asking it for slow motion because I just said bear walking, and it's walking, it's looking good, it's bringing that pizza. And the only thing that I would like to see different is if the face kind of had some emotion, or it did a little tweak, or it's breathing or something like that. Here you could still tell that it's not fully real, but it's a funny video. It's a bear holding a pizza walking. What more can you ask for, right? Like, you get the joke. The meme is brought to life through video, and this gets the purpose done. Now, the next one is these cats. And this first one I'm showing you is LumaLabs cat. And the LumaLabs cat and the other one as well, the Kling one, I did not use a beginning starter image to build these off of. I simply just gave it British short hair eating a bowl of rice, and this is what it rendered out. Now, my only complaint is that these don't look extremely photorealistic, which is why you need to bring it from another platform, generate your image on another platform, which, like I said, I like Midjourney a lot. Description below has some more links to it. And from making those cat images on there, that I understand exactly what I want, what the process is going to look like, how to prompt, and I get that image, I bring it in here, it'll turn out perfectly. Now with these ones, I'm not doing that, so it turns out kind of weird, and personally, I don't think they're usable. And also this is the Kling one, and the Kling one looks a lot better actually. And I'm starting to realize that as I'm doing these, Kling's animal memes and animal movements are trained really well. And if you look through their social media page, you'll notice that they have a lot of animals that are moving. So it makes me think that, okay, potentially Kling has a bit of a bias in their training data towards animals, which is great. If you want to do something with animals, potentially Kling is a good platform to do it on. And then finally, my favorite one, which is, this is the first one that I saw on LumaLabs, which is my face on an ancient Chinese warrior at a waterfall battleground, which made me love the scene in the first place. And I was like, okay, what if we use this shot again on Kling and see what it turned out to look like? So on Kling, what I like about it is that it actually shows the breathing, which I had prompted in the original one as well, the LumaLabs one, but it doesn't show the visible breathing that the character has. Meanwhile, on the Kling side, it shows a real gasp of air, makes it super realistic, and I could potentially use this clip for something. It looks that good. All right, that's it for this comparison video. Make sure you click the links below, check out everything that I have put out for you guys to learn from to create content with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.